Hi everyone, Greg from gregskitchen.com, and today I am making a recipe sent in to me by one of my wonderful subscribers, Sky River. Sky River, higher than the exosphere. Now Sky sent me in a recipe for an awesome looking barbecued pulled chicken. Sounds really good and I can't wait to make it. It's only got 4 ingredients and it's made in a slow cooker. So whip out your crock pot and let's start cooking. So this is all I'm using today. I'm just using some apricot jam or marmalade, some barbecue sauce, some honey, and 3 big, beautiful, succulent breasts. No, I'm not talking about that lady from Total Recall. I'm talking about the chicken breasts. Anyway, let's start making this. So this is my slow cooker. It's also a pressure cooker, so it's multifunctional. I love things that are multifunctional. Kind of like this fork. You know, you can also use it to scratch your back. Oh yeah, I love that. So into our crock pot, we will add our chicken breasts, 3/4 of a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. Let's hope that's right. 1 tablespoon of honey and 3 tablespoons of apricot marmalade or jam. So it's going to sort of be like an apricot chicken. Yum-o! We'll mix that through. Probably could have mixed it in a bowl beforehand, couldn't I, if I'd thought about it. Ah, well, she'll be right, mate. Alright, now everything's nicely covered. But you know, to me, it's still missing something. I reckon it'd taste awesome with some butter. Oh yeah, I love this stuff. Honey and butter tastes good, jam and butter tastes good, barbecue sauce and butter tastes good. I mean, what doesn't taste good with butter? The answer to that is nothing. I love butter. So whack your crock pot lid on. So now we need to slow cook this on high for 4 hours or a low temperature for 6 hours. I'm going to high temperature because you know what? I ain't got time to wait. 4 hours. Boof. And that's the recipe done. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. No, I'm only joking. We still have to see the end result. But Sky reckons that this tastes awesome on a bread roll, which I don't have, so I'm going to have to go to the shops and buy some. Do you want to come with me? Let's go.
Alright, here we go. Bread rolls, $2. What more do you want? Oh, and they're hot and fresh too. Yes!
Now, in fact, there is still some of the recipe I need to finish off, so let's go home and finish this recipe off. Now I've got my bread. Whoa, it's coming to the end. Alrighty, well, the 4 hours is up. Let's take a look. Whoa! Right, well, this should be easy enough just to pull apart now. Let's see if it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, and it smells so good. So now we just need to shred this. It's probably best not to do it inside a Teflon coated pot. Oh, wow. Especially with metal objects. So I'll use something plastic. Or take it out and stick it in another bowl and do it there. That'd be the smart thing to do. That's why I'm not doing it that way. So once you've shredded it all, mix it around. And it doesn't look very well coated, does it? In like the sauce and everything. That's why Sky River says that you should add 3 more tablespoons worth of barbecue sauce and another tablespoon's worth of the apricot jam / marmalade. And we'll mix that through. And there you have it. Sky River's apricot barbecue pulled chicken. That looks good. So grab yourself some bread, and of course what we need to add to that is some butter. Oh yeah, I love this stuff! Because everything tastes better with butter. Let's pile on some of this chicken. Smells good. Looking good. Alrighty, Sky River, there's that apricot barbecue pulled chicken I just whipped up that you told me I should make. I tell you what, it looks really good. Now I've got this bit here that was stuck on the bottom that looks a little bit burnt-ish, a little bit crusty. Just my type of meat. So let's give this a go. Chewy. You could probably do with some salt. Let's try it with the butter on some bread, which is the way that Sky River said I should eat it. You know what, Sky? I think this tastes... Well, hang on a sec. Let's not ask me. How about we ask the Grego meter? Oh, he's going down. Hang on a sec. It's not supposed to do that. It hardly ever goes down. Oh, he's going back up. I mean, it's pretty good. A little bit dry though. Probably could do with a whole lot more sauce, I reckon. But I do think that you could actually like stir this through a salad. Or if you added some other ingredients like coleslaw or something a little bit juicier, maybe some tomato, put some lettuce on it. Or some mayonnaise. You'd have a really good pulled chicken. Anyway, Sky, thanks for the recipe. You've made a really nice pulled chicken here with the apricots and the barbecue sauce and that little dash of honey in there, which I can't really taste, but I'm sure it's there. Anyway, if you've got a really good recipe that you think I should make that's really simple, like hardly any ingredients like Sky's, send it in, leave a comment below. I could be making it like I just made Sky's recipe that she sent me 2 years ago. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe right here on Greg's Kitchen. Catch you then. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the